Okay, so we're back, and we're just going to do some maintenance on the Golf. We've got these NGK spark plugs. We're going to replace this. I'm going to turn it around, obviously, so we've got the light there showing all that. And we're going to get these done, and then in a few days we'll get the oil changed as well, because can't be asked to do it all, and the filter. So yeah. Okay, so here we're going to be taking off the engine cover. There's 4 screws, 1 in each corner. Each screw you're going to need a T30 Torx screwdriver or like ratchet, whatever you want to use to take them out. Take them 4 off, and then your engine cover will come straight off. Yeah, as you can see, the cover's now off. It's just T30s used. Hey, no, yeah, T30. And then we're going to take off your, what's it called? Spark plugs. So just disconnect them, take them out. Okay, so here to get out all 4 of the coil packs, you're gonna have to, I'd say start with the middle ones, the easiest. So you gotta pry them up. So you can either use something underneath to wedge under, and lift up. We use screwdriver. I'm kind of like wedge it up to get our fingers in there. Sometimes you can just lift them up if they are like not that tough. But we lifted them up. Middle 2 first, since they're the easiest. And then you'll see here we're just wiggling it out using our just any kind of leverage you can to lift them. Okay, so here we've got 2 of the middle ones out, obviously, and we're lifting them up. And remember what order you take them out. So you gotta lift them up, and there's a wire on the right. Pull that out. It comes off as like a little clip. Once that's out, put them out in order. So we went from right to left, counted them 1, 2, 3, 4, because 4 cylinders. So just make sure you put the same coil pack in to the same slot as last time. It's not a major thing, but it's just best if you do that. So yeah. So taking them out here, they were a bit fiddly, but they eventually come out. No wires need moving, no nothing need moving. You just gotta like twist them out. So the very right is really tight against the pipe, but it is possible to get out without undoing other things. So just be patient, and it takes a lot of fiddling with it, and then you'll eventually get out. Okay, so here we're actually using the spark plug tool. It's part of the ratchet. It's just like an attachment you put on a ratchet. So you put that in there. Make sure it's bitten. So you put it by hand first, and then put the ratchet on and just twist so it just cracks the seal, you could say. So it's like, yeah, just twist it till you crack it. So just minimal force. You'll see it just cracked there when it jumped. Then just take them off slowly. Take the majority out, then take all of it out. Go between all 4 spark plugs. Just crack them all. Then once you've cracked them all, I'd suggest doing what I did, is take it off the ratchet and then spin it by hand, just with the attachment on there, just so you don't like mess up anything. Just spin it by hand, keep spinning it until you actually get the whole spark plug out. So just keep going over, just get attached to the bottom of it, just keep spinning until it comes out with it like that. Just got one out there, and then just do it to all 4 cylinders, obviously like normal, and then that's all spark plugs out. Okay, so that's the difference between an old and a new spark plug. New on the left, old one on the right. So you can see that one's like all dark and obviously used. We wouldn't recommend using a old spark plug again. So if you are going to take them out, just change them. It's best for doing that, because there's like a little like piece at the bottom that cracks when you seal it. So you take them out, it's already been like broken, you could say. So it's like a one-time use kind of thing. So take them out, and then we can put them back in the exact same way they came out. But first put them in by hand like this. So put them onto the attachment and just screw it in by hand so you don't cross thread anything and like destroy your engine. So just put them in by hand. Okay, so once you've done by hand and they're tightish, get the torque, just torque them to -25 Newton meters. And you go to torque them to 25 Newton meters, take clicks and do to 4/4. So once they've been tightened, just put the coil packs in back the way they came out. So you drop them all the way down, and there's like a guide on the Golf. It has like a little plastic shroud kind of thing that they fit in perfectly with. So put it into each one of them. So you push it down, make sure it like clicks in. You get like a satisfying like click when it drops in. It'll be fully seated, and then the cable you took out, plug that back into the coil pack, and then do that for all 4. And then once they're done, then you'll obviously have all them connected. Make sure you do them all in like the same way to come out. So the same order, so you have the same one, same slot as last time as well. Now all you got to do is put the cover back on. To get the cover, get your 4 screws that you put on before. There's like a little slot, it's all. Just line it up with your oil cap. If you line it up with that, it should go in easily. Line it up, make sure it's seated properly. Put all 4 screws in, and then just tighten them to hand tight, basically, just as tight as you feel. Don't go like overkill and destroy them. Just tighten them to hand tight. Once they're on, and that is your spark plugs changed. Okay, so the spark plugs are now done. Car's all perfect, it's all running now, so that's all done, sorted out. It was kind of an awkward job. There's one that's really awkward to get out. That's all done. But yeah, remember to like, comment down below, and I'll show you mods wise, anything like that. There are going to be performance mods coming and everything as well, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.